It's hot, 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 right? But you can still go out. Here is the plan for your next weekend. Drive 30 minutes from Dubai to Qudra Lakes, completely free entry. Camp overnight at designated areas near Love Lake or Qudra East. Wake at first light to spot over 170 bird species, including endangered steppe eagles, flamingos, and Arabian oryx. The artificial oasis is huge, with interconnected, heart-shaped lakes. Rent bikes from Trek Bicycle Store at Say Al Salam using just your Emirates ID. Rates vary by duration and model. Explore the 86-kilometer Al Qudra cycling track with dedicated parking and shower facilities. Barbecue only on designated grills, never on sand to protect wildlife. 3 birdwatching towers offer perfect photography spots. Stock up at Last Exit Food Hub before entering. By 9 a.m., sun intensifies, so pack early and carry enough water for the trip. 4-wheel drive recommended for sandy sections. Yalla, now you've a plan. Go and have fun with your friends.